Hey everyone, and welcome back to today's video. I want to apologize for my hair first of all. This side is like staying curled, but this side is like flat. So it's just kind of doing its thing now, and I'm just gonna let it be. But you guys obviously aren't here for that. You guys are here for one thing and one thing only, and that is to see what is inside of this month's January Ipsy Glam bags. I've been doing this now for the past couple of months. You guys seem to really enjoy it. I like to do a variation between the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and then the Ipsy original, so you guys can see the differences in what you guys get. I also did just upload my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of January also, so if any of you guys have BoxyCharm and you guys want to see what we got in that box, I'll go ahead and link that right around here, or you guys can take a look at it right after this video. If you guys want to know all the good details about Ipsy, I'm going to go ahead and link everything down below, but let's get diving into this month's bag. We're going to start off with this smaller bag first. And I do have something on the side. So this here is by Billion Dollar Brushes, which is a foundation brush. I want to say that they are also the ones that make the Billion Dollar Brows. I actually don't use foundation brushes anymore like I used to. I mean, years and years ago when I first started doing makeup, I always used foundation brushes for foundation. Like I literally was painting on the foundation. I don't ever use this for foundation anymore. I like to use this actually to apply my mask. So that is actually really nice to have. So here is the actual bag, and I don't know why, but I'm getting kind of like tote vibes. Like this is something that I would see for like the summer, like a nice little beach bag, but this is really cute. So the very first thing I have here is a blush serum, and this is by the brand Butanique Beauty. I'm not the biggest fan of cream blushes. I don't find them to stay on my skin very long, and I just don't like the way that it feels. Oh, that came off really fast. Okay. So this is it right here. That is really, really bright and pigmented. I think if I was going to use this product, it would definitely just be for the lips. Like I'd put it right in the center of my lips, but I would never personally use this as a cream blush. The next thing I have in here, what is this? Yes! This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Foundation, and the shade that they sent me is in medium sand, which might not be that bad for my skin. It looks just a smidge dark, but I can make this work. Now, I've actually never tried this foundation. My mom actually recommended this to me. She said that it was like super full coverage. It does have SPF of 15 in it. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts down below if you guys have used the Tarte foundation and what you guys think. The next item I have is by Naked Cosmetics, and this here is it looks like a shimmer shadow, like a loose powder. This is in the shade Heavy Metal. You know, it's so funny is that I'm looking at this right now and I immediately get like a throwback to walking around the mall, and they used to have these loose pigments at like one of the kiosks, and you can buy them and they were stackable. So here is the color. That is actually really pretty. Do you see that? Look at how pretty that is. I'll definitely put this in like my to try bin and see if I can apply it to like my eyes or something. But so lastly, I have one more product in here, and it's this little box. And this is by Akar Skin, and this is a mini care lip butter. And this is organic and non-toxic. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in this month's bag. Now we're gonna move into the Glam Bag Plus, which I'm really excited about. What? Shut the front door. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, this is so worth the box already. I am so excited about this. So this month we're getting a Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. We're going to get the shade, I got the shade Rodeo Drive. I actually talked about this in my high-end all-time must-have favorites for 2018, and this is actually one of the products I talked about. I don't have a full-size version. I have a smaller version of it in a palette, and then the other one I have has their original packaging, and that one is almost gone. Like I've already hit pan on it, so it's so awesome to have a backup. Okay, the next product we have here, I actually just spoke about this in my new Shop My Stash, which I'm editing this week and it will be up. But this here is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. So this is my actual one that I'm almost done with. That's the one. It's not going to give you a bunch of length, but it's definitely going to give you really nice fluffy lashes. So is that something you're really into? I think you'd really like this mascara. The next item I have is this right here. This here is by Hanalei, and it is a sugar lip scrub. That's a lot. Ooh, it smells really good though. It's not as aggressive as some other lip scrubs that I have tried before. I have quite a few lip scrubs that are very, very aggressive, like the e.l.f. Cosmetics one. It's really good, but you have to be really gentle with it. This is more of like a softer exfoliator, which is really nice. So the next thing I have is this box right here, which is by Vasanti, and it is a Matte Crush Lipstick Pencil. Extra love. A pencil sharpener is included. Well, that's nice. Lip pencils like this, like these chubby crayons, are such great products to keep in your purse, and they're really easy to apply because you don't need a lip pencil, and they're soft and easy on the lips, and it's not going to like accentuate any dry lips or anything like that, and it always leaves them really nourished. It looks a little bit more pink tone on camera, but it's definitely not. It's got more of like a muted pink to it, but I really like it. I feel like these are really, really pretty colors. I like this color. I feel like it's not going to be too bright on my lips, which is really nice. I really, really like that. That's really pretty. And then you get the sharpener, which is always really nice to have. My husband walks like he has like sandbags under his feet. Not sure what this is, but this says Violet Voss, and my heart's already pumping because I don't own anything that's from Violet Voss. But this here is their HG palette, and this is, I assume, like the baby version of the Holy Grail because it says fun sized. But look at these shades, you guys. So there's the brown shade, cranberry shade in here, this one right here. Wow. Let's do this one. This one looks so pretty. Oh, that's beautiful. So here are just some of the swatches from the palette. This isn't all the shades, but just a few of the darker ones. This is really, really pretty, you guys. Like, I am so excited to try this out. I definitely want to do a look with this. I want to see what it performs like on the eyes, because obviously, like, just because we see something on the hand doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be the exact same on the eyes. Let me know if you guys want to see a makeup look using the Ipsy products that we get, because I would definitely be down to do that. So the last thing I have in here, which definitely looks like a perfume. Okay, so what do we have? This is called Dead Sexy by Tokyo Milk. It's got notes of deep vanilla, exotic wood, white orchid, and ebony. Oh my gosh. Why do I instantly think of Hollister? Oh, I like that. Stuff is strong though. Stuff is real strong. It smells really good. It definitely has more of that masculine scent to it, but it's definitely one of those products where if you spray too much, I definitely think it could give you a headache. So just be really careful with that. One spritz is definitely going to be enough, but that smells incredible. So everything in here is amazing. I love my box. I'm so, so happy. This box definitely was way better than I would say last month's box, but nonetheless, a really great box. So I hope you guys are excited for your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. If you guys haven't subscribed to Ipsy, feel free to look down below, and you guys are more than welcome to look into it, see if it's something you guys want to do, sign up, subscribe, whatever it is. But if you guys want to see a tutorial using those products, then I would definitely do that for you guys. I can kind of combine them and use that one and the Ipsy products together, which I think would be kind of cool. So let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And also make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Just to let you guys know, I do upload on Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays at 6 p.m. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the evening, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.